Hey, hello, welcome back, guys. This is Tech Boy Sai Kiran. So, I'm back with a brand new video again, but this time I will be showing you how to solve the errors. But wait, what are the errors? The errors which we get while installing the packages in Python. No matter whether you run your Python in IDLE or Visual Studio or PyCharm, whatever it may be, I will be showing you how can you solve those issues. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So before starting, new viewers, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to get all the latest notifications. So today we are going to work to solve the errors on the Kiwi package, and I also personally got errors on while installing Pi audio package, and this video is requested by one of my subscribers. So simply just open your CMD, and before installing, actually we know to install, and the command is pip install package name. So package name here I use is Kiwi. So let's try this. Pip install Kiwi. I'm just clicking enter, and here it takes time. So make sure you are connected to an active internet so that the packages are downloaded very easily. And as you can see here, we have got an error. So this is the main error faced by many of the users, and including my subscriber, one of my subscriber. So here the main error is Microsoft Visual C++ 14 is required. So let us try this in installing Visual Studio also. So look, this is one of my Python program. So I need a Pi audio in this. So here also I got the same error called Microsoft Visual C++ is required, and here they provided a link to download that. So whatever the environment you work with, this error is common if you want to install Pi audio or Kiwi, or I don't know, but till now I know only these two by which we can get these errors. So you can download this Microsoft Visual C++ from Google. Just fire up your browser and just type Microsoft Visual C++. Just hit enter, get to this official site, and here you will be having a file to download. Let's scroll down where it is. I think just click on get it now. No, not this. I think there should be a download button here. Okay, let's see. Look, here they provided the link. This link is to download and install C++ build tools. So the thing we need is a C++ build tools. Just follow this link and install Visual Studio, not Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio, which is from Microsoft. And the difference you can see in the bottom of my taskbar. This is the Visual Studio Code, and this is the Visual Studio installer. So once you install this Microsoft Visual Studio, it's around 100 MB I think. So once you install, this is the interface you will be going to get, and here it asks for the workloads to install, and here we majorly need C++ build tools. Just click on it, and this needs 6.37 GB of space, and here are some additional tools you can include in your download. So these are the basic, and I'm going to install the basic build tools now in order to solve that error. So I'm not going to take this much more complicated, so I just want the basic build tools. So just click on install, and it takes some time based on your internet speed, and it's around 1.61 GB. So wait till that time, and once it was downloaded, just go to the program where you want. So let me pause this and I'll show you. I mean, in your case, this complete download button should be filled. I mean, download bar should be filled, and then you can open your program and just run it. And if there is any error, try to install the package once again in the command prompt or in the command prompt or in your working environment. Just try to install it again after installing Microsoft Visual Studio and run your program. Then the problem will be solved absolutely. So if you get any such errors after installing Microsoft Visual Studio, let me know in the comment section. You can contact me. Feel free to comment me, and till then, take care and bye bye.